The embarrassing leak that changed everything and the natural solution doctors don't mention. We've all been there. That moment when you laugh, sneeze, or just stand up too quickly and suddenly feel that unwelcome warmth. It's not just physically uncomfortable, it chips away at your confidence, your freedom, your sense of control. What if I told you the real issue isn't weakness, but balance? The delicate balance of your urinary microbiome, the ecosystem of bacteria in your bladder and urinary tract that most doctors never discuss. When harmful bacteria multiply, they can overstimulate your bladder muscles, triggering those sudden, embarrassing leaks. But here's what changes everything. Restoring balance is possible. That's where FemiPro comes in. Unlike temporary fixes that just mask symptoms, FemiPro works differently. It targets the harmful bacteria causing those involuntary leaks while supporting the beneficial bacteria your body needs. Each capsule delivers a proprietary blend of natural ingredients like D-mannose, cranberry extract, and probiotics carefully selected and optimally dosed to nurture microbial balance. This isn't random, it's a synergistic formula designed with precision, working gently yet effectively. Women choose FemiPro because it speaks to their needs with compassion and science-backed strength. They regain confidence in daily life. They experience restored comfort as irritation subsides. And most importantly, they strengthen their wellness for the long term. FemiPro represents a commitment to honoring women's health with quality and care. Each day builds upon the last, creating a steady journey toward balance and vitality. Imagine